Drapery can easily be an afterthought in any space you design, but I'm going to tell you why it's one of the most important decisions that you can make, especially in a bedroom. First of all, draperies block light. In spaces such as a bedroom, you really want it to be as dark as possible, especially when you're sleeping in on those Saturdays. So what I do is I take store-bought drapes and reline them with blackout fabrics in the back. It really blocks the light, and you can really count on a totally blacked out room that way. Or you can have them custom done, already made with that blackout lining. The second thing that drapery can add is an architectural feature such as I've done here. I really wanted to incorporate a king-size bed into this bedroom, and this was truly the only wall that I can put it on, but it's covered in windows. So I added this floor-to-ceiling drapery to create somewhat of that false wall. It gives me the necessary privacy I need. This fifth wall element, it flows effortlessly into the bed, and it looks very, very intentional. And finally, it can add that touch of luxury that you need. With these textural drapes, and they're tailored at the top with the pinch pleats, it just takes that design style right over the top and makes your rooms look way more expensive than what they have to be. So drapery cannot be an afterthought. It's one of the most important things in any space that you design.